Safaris.
Kid Safari is a YouTube channel by kids and for kids.
A Kid Safari is like videos we make, like fun things around the world, and sometimes they're really educational. So you should sometimes watch them. I just really like making them because they like making people happy.
And though the kids love traveling around the world for Kid Safari, the channel has been a little bit harder to run thanks to staying at home orders because of the coronavirus.
Kid Safaris have been hard because, we have to stay at home.
Being stuck at home means the episodes are now typically about exploring nearby nature or learning educational concepts such as multiple dimensions or how to wash hands.
Remember that Kid Safari where we wash our hands? That's a good one for the coronavirus. We should definitely wash our hands. Most of our Kid Safaris will tell them to stay safe from coronavirus and tell you the safety stuff.
Another way the kids are running the channel is by creating their own movies, like their rendition of Back to the Future 4. But to the idea of staying home and not traveling, this is what the youngest Kid Safari kid has to say. Thank you for watching Kid Safari News. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch our videos on our Kid Safari channel.